Hello and welcome, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my new video. I will be creating a boho style exploding box. Exploding box is a type of card in the shape of box. It has a lid and 4 sides, which when you move the lid up goes flat. So you can decorate each side of the box and the center of it as well. For today's project, I'm going to use Prima Marketing Aquarelle Dreams paper collection. It has beautiful colors. It's a watercolor collection, very pretty in beige, turquoise, purples, but very light colors, very beautiful. For the box, I'm using the press cord exploding box base. I will have a video as well how to create an exploding box base. I'm using the one which I just bought in the store. I will link it below the video, but many people ask me, and I will show you how to create the base for exploding box by yourself. So we've got the bottom and the lid. I pre-cut all the papers already. The box is 10 by 10 centimeters. So each side of the box, each paper for the sides of the box is about 9.7 centimeters. I leave like a little white border. I like to do that on each side. I will adhere the paper on the outside of the box, the inside of the box, and on the lid. And then when that's ready, I will start to decorate the inside pages of my exploding box. I have many little pieces, images, and elements to decorate the pages, the sides. I created my own embellishments as well. I used new Ephemera molds to create the resin shapes, and then I painted them with the paint and with the wax. They have the same colors as my paper collection. So each side will be decorated with some elements. I've got lots of images from Ephemera pack from the same collection. I've got very little handmade flowers, pieces of lace, some chipboard elements, which I finally didn't use any chipboards, but those resin elements that I created myself, I'm going to use them here on a few pages. And then in the middle, I will create a little boho style composition with the dream catcher, tiny flowers in the bottle, and banner which says, I don't remember what it says now, but it's in the Ephemera pack as well. And as you can see, I will create a small composition on each side. I really like creating exploding boxes. Those small compositions is something I really enjoy making. And first I will decorate the pages, and then I will do the middle part. Don't decorate your center before doing the sides, because then it's kind of in the way and it's difficult. If you've got delicate things in the center, it's difficult to you have to be very careful not to damage it when you decorate the rest of the box. So I leave the decorating the center for the last step. I have created few other projects with that collection, and I set myself a new goal this year. So the goal is to create as many projects as I can out of one collection before purchasing another one. I already bought another collection, but I had a card from Prima collection. I had a canvas, so I was really good with using it as much as possible. and I thought, yeah, I need a little reward, so I bought a new paper collection. I will not tell you yet what is it, because I will soon create a new video with it. But I also wanted to say that I bought one Ephemera pack with the paper collection, and actually it was a really good decision. I usually don't buy those pieces. I cut them out of the collections, but yeah, I used those elements a lot, and I'm really happy I purchased that. So if you're ever wondering about buying the elements, here in this box you can exactly see how to use them, and creating the little compositions with those elements, it's just much easier. When you will be making your own box, you don't need to embellish all 4 pages. Sometimes I do 3 and I leave one for the wishes, for sentence on the message. But very often I leave the place for the message on the bottom of the lid, because actually you cannot add, you can, but there is no point for me to add any embellishments there, so it's a perfect place for the wishes or hidden message. So yeah, if you will see that I'm decorating 4 pages and then you ask where the wishes goes, that's the bottom side of the lid. That's a perfect place for that, in my opinion. Anyway, I finished the box, and now the pages. Now I'm going to decorate the center. I will change the camera view because it's kind of difficult to see it from the top. I will switch to like a side view, which will bring me much closer, and you will see how what I did to create that little composition in the center. I love making miniature things, and that's why I always enjoy creating exploding boxes, because it's not much space to add big things, but it's a perfect for anyone who loves miniatures. This little frame underneath the bottle, it's also from the new Ephemera mold. It's made out of resin, and if you would like to know more about creating resin elements, please check my other video. I will link it on the top of the screen for you. I started using resin just recently, few months ago, and I just love it. It is easy. It's what amazed me about it is that you can create. You don't need to create in advance, because resin cures in few minutes. So if you have an idea and you need something just now, you can quickly make it, and it's just fabulous. So check that video if you would like to try it for yourself. Exploding box is not a project that you can do in 1 hour. In my opinion, at least I cannot do that. It takes me 2 to 3 hours to finish it. It's a lot of things to do. You have to adhere the paper, create the little compositions, decorate the center of the box, decorate the lid. So it's just a lot of work, and it is a big project, but it's so rewarding. I just love making them, and the people who receive them are usually so happy, and it's just amazing. It's a lovely way to say someone you love that, to give them something special. So I believe that it's, I like to take that time to create something very, very unique. Maybe some people do it faster. I'm not super fast with it. Anyway, I have finished decorating the box, and now I will do the same with the lid. I have handmade flowers for the lid, pieces of laces, some die-cut leaves. I'm going to add a ribbon and the twine around the lid, and that will be it. Then I will finish it off with a bit of gesso on the flowers and the same micro beads and sequins which I applied in the middle of the box. Please do not skip those last steps. Adding those little elements, those finished touches, really makes it unique and very special. So don't skip that step. This will be it from me today. I hope you like the box. I think it looks just beautiful, and I hope to inspire you to create your own version. If you will, please tag me on social media. I'll be so happy to see your projects. Thank you very, very much for watching the video, for coming back to my channel, for commenting. It means a lot to me. Please, underneath the video, find the links to the products I was using today, and I wish you all the best. Have a lovely creative day. Bye bye!